Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need help logging into your Keka account? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Keka account online. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Keka's official website. Type in www.keka.com and hit enter. Step 2. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner and click on it. Step 3. Enter your registered email ID and password in the login fields. Make sure you are using the credentials provided by your company if it's for work. If two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or email. Finally, click the login button and you are in. Now you can access your dashboard, check your tasks, or manage your payroll. And there you have it. Logging into your Keka account is quick and easy. If you face any issues, reach out to your company's HR team or Keka support. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching.